sorry. Like, I mean, I don't even know why you girls bother at this point. Like, give it up. It's me.
Hey guys, it's Brooke. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm just going to be showing y'all my trials and tribulations with installing this wig, because why is it so hard to melt? First of all, it just seems like lace glue just doesn't work with me, so y'all will see that later in the video how I was struggling. I'm just gonna stick to got to be glue, honestly. And even still, it's not as melted as I want it to be. More so on this side, but this side just gets a little shaky, but it's fine. I have been through it all today with this wig, so hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and just to go ahead and let y'all know, this hair is from Cranberry hair and it's 26 inches. Let me show you. So probably down right to my hip. I bought this with my own money. It's not sponsored. I just wanted to let y'all know where the hair was from in case y'all cared. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Hey besties, so I'm just going to start off by taking my She Is Bomb edge control and slicking back my edges. I have my hair in these 4 braids just because I'm lazy and I did not feel like cornrow my hair, so after I finish slicking back my edges, I'm just going to go ahead and take some bobby pins and pin those 4 braids into the back of my head, kind of like how they would do when you have a sew-in, but the lazy way. So this is just a little 360 of what my head looks like in the back. Now I'm just going to take my wig cap and stretch it out some so that it'll fit my head, because at first I feel like they're kind of small. And then just place it on my head. Now because this wig is a frontal, I'm going to cut out a space for my ears to go through the hole, basically. That's just because in a frontal, you know, you have the ear tabs and there should be a little section of the wig cap for those ear tabs. So that's what I'm doing here, and I just need to let it be known that the wig cap ear tabs might just be a little bit bigger than the actual frontal ear tabs, but you know, oh well. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my Got To Be Glue Free Spray and spray that along my hairline so that we can get the melted cap look. And after I spray the free spray all along my hairline, I'm just going to go through with my blow dryer and let that dry. So now that I'm finished blow drying it, I'm going to take my scissors and begin to cut along my hairline. You need to make sure that you get as close to your natural hairline as possible when doing this. That is one mistake that I've made, but you'll see later that I end up fixing it. clip right here, I'm just taking some freeze spray and my blow dryer and re-gluing the ear tab to my face, because as I was cutting it, it began to lift, and you know, we don't want that, bestie. And to keep the rest of the wig cap from being seen underneath my wig, I'm just going to tie it into a knot. Now I'm taking my Got2b glue styling gel and I'm going to go along the edges of the edge cap where you can see that it's rolling up, and just use that to roll it out and make it look like it's giving scalp, as you can see. And I will be going in with my comb as well to roll it out and blow drying it to set that. Okay, now I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline foundation and put that all over my wig cap. This is usually the color makeup that I use for my face. May come off as a little dark, but in person it matched my skin. Since I'm about to go in with some lace glue, I'm going to go through and clean up my hairline with some witch hazel just to get the makeup off, because if you still have makeup on your skin, the glue will not stick as well. So now I finally can put on the wig, and child, when I first put this wig on, it looked a hot mess. As y'all can see, like, baby, what is this? Oh, it's not giving anything at all. It's definitely giving hobo. Right now, I'm just going to comb all the hair back so that I can get ready to lay the lace. You don't want to get any hair caught in the glue or tangle underneath the cap. So I'm just combing it back, getting it out of my face, going through with some mousse to really make sure that all the hair is slicked back. Okay, so now we're getting into the real tea. I'm going through again with some witch hazel just to make sure I get all the glue and makeup off my face. This is the part where I kind of struggle. I don't think lace glue is for me. I tried to use it and somehow maybe I didn't use enough, but it was still lifting, and you'll see that throughout the video. So I had to go back in off camera and do some Got2b freeze spray and the gel, but eventually I got it to lay. So yeah, just enjoy me kind of attempting to lay it with the lace glue. So after I finish evenly applying the lace glue, I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on low but high heat, and we're going to use that to dry the glue. So here's me attempting to lay the lace. As you can see, I'll end up struggling in the end, but for the most part I think I was able to get the ear tabs down, but the rest of the lace, no ma'am, did not want to stay down.
Danny.
So at this part, I'm going in and I'm attempting to cut off some of the lace, and then after that I start cutting off some baby hair. Peep my mom coming in to talk to me during the video. Okay, so this is the part where I had to go in with my backup, the got to be glue, as my safety to lay the lace that was lifting. Now I'm going to try to part my hair. I wanted the middle part, so this is me parting my hair. So I told y'all I would have to go off camera and end up fixing my hair. So this is the next clip after I ended up fixing my hair. Obviously I have my edges wrapped because I already slicked my edges. So if you guys want an edge tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and I'll do a detailed edge tutorial. But for right now, I'm just going through and flat ironing the hair because when I first put the wig on, it was only blow dried. So I'm trying to make it more straight and thinner. Alright, so I just finished straightening my hair and now I'm taking my scarf off and revealing to y'all the scalp and the edges. And don't forget that this hair is from Cranberry hair. No, this video is not sponsored. This hair is 24 inches. I'm going to leave the link in the description box so you guys can check it out. Just to let it be known, I made this wig. This is not a pre-made wig, so in the description box it'll be a link to the bundles. Okay, so this is the finished look. As you can see on my left side of my face, you can see that the lace is kind of showing, but I do go in and cut that off. So this is what it's giving right now. If you want an edges tutorial, give it a thumbs up. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to come back and add that it's like 2 days later and I decided to try to redo it just a little bit. I did take it off and relay it, but also I decided to try to cut the lace a little bit more just because the lace is brown. You know, before we knew about HD lace and Swiss lace and stuff like that, we had the brown lace. So that's what this lace is, and it doesn't completely match my skin tone because I'm too light for it. So I went through and cut bits and pieces off to where it like was really visible. So in the past clips you could probably see that it was a little bit more visible. So what I did was just go through and cut the lace some more. So I'm just adding this little clip in. That's why I'm in a different outfit, because I wore it for like 1 day so far before I was like, okay, I need to try to fix it some more because I was already struggling. And I took the previous install that I did from the clips before out and reinstalled it just because it was too much glue on my head. Like, it was lace glue and got to be glue, and it was just too much glue. So God, I'm really struggling to get this elastic band off, which I just got from Walmart. I don't have no fancy elastic band, y'all. See, now I think that the lace is a little bit less visible, and from afar it looks like it's laid. From afar it looks like it's laid way better, and y'all might not be able to tell a difference, but I can definitely tell a difference being that I went through and cut the lace, because the lace before was like all the way down here. that was not working for me, and I realized that's why I wasn't looking as melted as it could, because I didn't cut close enough to the hairline of the wig. So when I get this next wig, we know what to do better and how to customize it a little bit better. But this wig I had for 2 years. I don't know if I mentioned that, so that's why it looks like that. But yeah, this looks way better now. I think it looks a lot more like scalp, and I could go through and still cut some bits and pieces off, but I'm just gonna go with it because I don't want to keep relaying it over and over again, or relaying my edges over and over again. That's just too much work. But yeah, y'all, this is what we're working with, period. And don't come for the side edges, because this is my first time wearing a frontal for real, for real. Back to the original schedule program. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, I was definitely struggling. Some parts got cut off because I just had to focus on installing the wig. Besties, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, follow me on Instagram, okay? Period. Somewhere right here. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.